Next is importance of indigenous bankers, how they were important for Indian economy. The importance can be discussed in the following points. First is credit to small traders. The indigenous bankers played a very important role in the life of small traders because they provide short-term loans to the persons who are the small traders who are dealing with the sale purchase of goods and services, and their needs of finance, the needs of immediate finance was met by the indigenous bankers because they were having personal touch with the persons, and against the mortgage of certain personal property or some other whether fixed or movable property, the loans were given to the small traders. Then is credit to agriculture. Agriculture, the small farmers get the loans against the pledge of their crops who were standing in the fields. Even landless cultivators were also able to get the loans from these indigenous bankers. Then is long term credit. Long term credit was also provided to the small traders and to the farmers. So this means that they were not fulfilling their needs of working capital, but they were also able to fulfill the needs of fixed capital also, which was required for purchasing the machinery or some other equipments which were required for the agricultural purposes. Then is trading community. What were the trading communities in the Indian system? It was, first one is merchants. Merchants means the persons who are involved in trading activities. Trading activities means the sale and purchase of goods and services. So the basic community which was involved in trading activities was Vaishyas. Then came the subcaste of this community, that is Baniyas, which mainly belong to Hindu and Jain families. Then Banjaras were also very important, who were involved in these trading activities. They were involved in trading activities in not only in their own villages but also far away from the villages. They were also working as a middleman for the sale purchase of goods and services. Then came sarafs and moneylenders. Sarafs and moneylenders मतलब जो merchants, they also played a very important role. They played actually a double role as sarafs and moneylenders. As a sarafs, they were dealing in jewelry, whether it is gold jewelry or silver jewelry, and as the moneylenders, they were providing loans to the other people. And then is brokers. As a broker, they were working as a middleman between the buyer and the sellers, because the buyers and sellers are at the different places. So to fill up the gap between the buyer and the seller, they were brokers, they were merchants, and they worked on the basis of commission.